How many specifiers are used to derive a class? A1, B2, C3, D4. The correct answer is 3. What is a pure virtual function? A virtual function defined inside the base class. B. A virtual function that has no definition relative to the base class. C. A virtual function that is defined inside the derived class. D. Any function that is made virtual. The correct answer is a virtual function that has no definition relative to the base class. What is a virtual function in C? A. Any member function of a class. B. All functions that are derived from the base class. C. All the members that are accessing base class data members. D. All the functions which are declared in the base class and is redefined overridden by the derived class. The correct answer is all the functions which are declared in the base class and is redefined overridden by the derived class. The concept of deciding which function to invoke during runtime is called A. Late binding. B. Dynamic linkage. C. Static binding. D. Both late binding and dynamic linkage. The correct answer is both late binding and dynamic linkage. If a class is derived privately from a base class, then A. No members of the base class is inherited. B. All members are accessible by the derived class. C. All the members are inherited by the class but are hidden and cannot be accessible. D. No derivation of the class gives an error. The correct answer is all the members are inherited by the class but are hidden and cannot be accessible. Which specifier makes all the data members and functions of base class inaccessible by the derived class? A. Private. B. Protected. C. Public. D. Both private and protected. The correct answer is private. Which statement is incorrect about virtual function? A. They are used to achieve runtime polymorphism. B. They are used to hide objects. C. Each virtual function declaration starts with the virtual keyword. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is they are used to hide objects. Which is the correct syntax of declaring a virtual function? A. Virtual int func. B. Virtual int func. C. Inline virtual func. D. Inline virtual func. The correct answer is virtual int func. What is inheritance in C? A. Wrapping of data into a single class. B. Deriving new classes from existing classes. C. Overloading of classes. D. Classes with same names. The correct answer is deriving new classes from existing classes.